Are you tired of projects going off the rails because of miscommunication? Well, let's dive into the world of project communication management and discover how to transform chaos into collaboration, all in just 90 seconds. First up, what exactly is project communication management? It's essentially the systematic process of ensuring timely and appropriate generation, collection, distribution, storage, retrieval, and ultimate disposition of project information. Think of it as the glue that holds all the project phases together: initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closure. Effective communication minimizes misunderstandings, manages expectations, and keeps everyone on the same page. Now, let's talk about the key components. A crucial element is the communication management plan. This document outlines who needs what information, when they need it, how it will be delivered, and who is responsible for delivering it. Consider things like stakeholder needs. A project sponsor might need a high-level summary weekly, while the development team needs daily detailed updates. Next, consider your communication methods. Will you use email, instant messaging, face-to-face meetings, video conferencing, or a combination? The right method depends on the context and audience. A formal project status report might be best delivered via email, while a quick clarification can be handled via instant messaging. Finally, let's not forget the importance of communication skills. Active listening, clear writing, and confident speaking are crucial for conveying information effectively. Practice these skills to avoid ambiguity and ensure your message is understood as intended. So, master project communication management and watch your project success rate soar. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more project management tips.